I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and your Jeep's Uconnect is updated. That prevents compatibility bugs. Next, plug a certified Lightning cable into the phone and the Wrangler's USB-A or USB-C port. This ensures stable data transfer. Once connected, unlock your phone and accept CarPlay prompts. The system will pair and switch the screen. If it doesn't auto-launch, tap the CarPlay icon on Uconnect. This initiates the handshake so your apps appear correctly. Once connected, you'll configure layout and controls so CarPlay works seamlessly while driving. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, then select your Wrangler to rearrange app icons. This sets priorities for quick access. Back in the Jeep, use the Uconnect touchscreen or rotary knob to open apps. Long press the voice button to use Siri for hands-free navigation and messages. Then set audio to CarPlay and media sources, and confirm steering wheel buttons, control volume, and track skipping for safe operation. You're at the finish line. Test a call, start navigation to a nearby address, and play music to verify sound levels and steering controls. If something's off, first disconnect and reconnect the cable, then restart your phone. This clears transient USB or Bluetooth states. If problems persist, swap to a different certified Lightning cable or try another USB port. Cables are the most common issue. As a last resort, reset Uconnect settings. Make sure you've backed up preferences because that clears saved pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.